Sick of exorbitant landline bills and tangled phone cords that look like they belong in a museum? Yeah, me too. We all know the struggle. Enter Ooma, the VoIP voice over internet protocol, service promising crystal clear calls and massive savings. But is Ooma the magical solution to all your landline woes? Or is it just another tech headache disguised in a sleek box? Let's find out. First, a quick VoIP 101. Basically, VoIP lets you make calls over your internet connection instead of a traditional phone line. Think of it like streaming music instead of buying CDs. Ooma is one of the biggest players in the VoIP game, and they claim their setup is a breeze. But is that really true? Can even your grandma get Ooma up and running? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the murky waters of Ooma installation. I recently snagged an Ooma Telo, their main device, and put it through its paces. Spoiler alert, it wasn't exactly rocket science, but there were a few bumps in the road. Ooma gets major points for presentation. The box is clean, the instructions are clear, mostly, and everything you need is included. We're talking the Ooma Telo itself, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and even a phone cord for those of you clinging to the rotary phone dream. No judgment. Setting up the hardware is about as easy as plugging in a toaster. Seriously, there's an Ethernet port on the back of the Telo, which you connect to your router using the included cable. Power it on and watch the lights do their disco dance. Easy peasy. Now comes the slightly trickier part, activating your Ooma service. This involves downloading the Ooma Setup app on your phone and following the on-screen prompts. The app walks you through creating an account, linking your Telo device, and the potentially annoying part, porting your existing phone number. Porting can be a bit of a gamble. It can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on your current phone provider. In the meantime, Ooma gives you a temporary number to use. Not ideal, but hey, at least you can still make calls. Here's where things get interesting. My number porting experience was, well, let's just say it wasn't a walk in the park. There were some back and forth calls with Ooma customer service, a few moments of mild panic, but eventually, it all worked out. However, your mileage may vary. Just be prepared for a potential delay and maybe some deep breaths. Once you're up and running, using Ooma is a breeze. The call quality is fantastic, crisp and clear, just like they promise. Plus, you get a bunch of cool features like voicemail transcription, call blocking, and the ability to make calls from your smartphone using the Ooma app. So, is Ooma easy to set up? Mostly. The hardware installation is a breeze, but porting your number can be a bit of a gamble. Just factor in some potential delays and be prepared for a little customer service interaction if needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.